Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Centre. A cold front is currently making its way up the east coast of the country, and behind it, cold air has been pushing in over the Cape provinces in the last day, and that helped Sutherland to drop down to -9 degrees overnight, although the temperatures have warmed up quite a bit since then. Over the Eastern Cape and parts of KwaZulu-Natal, cloud cover has been thickening, along with a little bit of light rain, and that will keep temperatures low for some areas for the remainder of your Sunday. And we are expecting it to remain mostly cloudy with light rain over those areas. The cloud and rain spreads northwards into this evening with some rain into KwaZulu-Natal, and by early tomorrow morning there could also be drizzle over Swaziland and the escarpment areas of Mpumalanga. Morning fog extending into parts of the central and eastern Free States, but as we head into the afternoon, much of the area is expected to start clearing out. The western half of the country expecting lots of sunshine for tomorrow. That's going to help to warm things up quite a bit for the Cape provinces. Here's a quick look at your rainfall probability map for the rest of the Sunday, and rain still in the forecast for much of the Eastern Cape and for KwaZulu-Natal. And as we've already seen, that rain is going to push northwards and further inland over KZN. And for tonight, we could see some rainfall as far north as Vryheid and as far inland as Ladysmith, as well as up against the Drakensberg Mountains. Now, time for a quick check of your wind forecast, and we see mostly light winds over the country, a moderate south-westerly wind on the other hand for the KZN and Eastern Cape coasts. And we also expect a moderate to fresh wind around the peninsula. Maximum temperatures clearly showing the effects of that cold front, where temperatures over the southern parts of the country will remain in the teens for today, especially cold for some areas over the Eastern Cape interior. North of the front, warm weather persisting on the high veld, in particular for the low veld areas, where temperatures will get into the upper 20s. Feeling the effects of the cold weather overnight through the central and western interior, frosty places over the Cape provinces once again. Warm in KwaZulu-Natal, especially for the coastline, and it will be a mild evening in Gauteng. Johannesburg, you drop down to 8 degrees. Tomorrow afternoon brings warm weather with sunshine once again to that province, while east of that, a bit of early morning light rain in the forecast, but as we've seen in the afternoon, things will be clearing up. And on Tuesday, the next cold front will be sweeping in over the Western Cape, while Bergwinds push the temperatures up in the east. Bombela, you reach a high of 30.